In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Google Calendar on your desktop. So if you're interested in making your calendar events a bit more expressive and fun, you're definitely in the right place. First things first, let's find the perfect emoji. Emojis are available across many different websites and applications. You might be using a familiar application like an online emoji picker, or maybe your chat app supports emojis. Feel free to take your time and browse through the vast selection of emojis to find the ones that truly capture the essence of your event. Once you've found your desired emoji, the next step is to simply copy it. You can usually do this by right-clicking on the emoji and selecting copy from the menu, or using a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Just ensure the emoji is now saved to your clipboard, ready for the next step. Now let's dive into Google Calendar. Go ahead and open Google Calendar in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you might need to enter your Google account credentials to access your calendar. Once you're in, decide whether you're creating a new event or editing an existing one. You can create an event by clicking on the Create button, usually found in the top left corner. If you're editing an existing event, just locate it on your calendar and click to open up the event details. With the event page open, you can now paste the emoji into an area that best suits your needs. A popular spot is the event title, making it stand out and easy to identify. Alternatively, the description field is great if you're looking to add emojis for additional flair or element of fun. To do this, simply click on the desired field and paste the emoji using the right-click paste option, or by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. You'll see that the emoji effortlessly makes its way into your event details, adding a new layer of personalization. Now that your event is visually more engaging with the addition of emojis, the final step is to click on the Save button. This typically resides at the top of the event window. By saving your changes, you've successfully added emojis to your Google Calendar event. Not only does this make your calendar more visually appealing, but it also allows you to convey the tone or theme of your events at a glance, whether it's marking birthdays with a cake emoji or denoting meetings with a handshake symbol. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to add a touch of personality to your Google Calendar events using emojis. This simple trick can help brighten up your scheduling and make your digital planner a little more enjoyable to navigate. Thanks for watching, and happy emojiing.